Hi, Professor Wang here. My pronouns are he, him, his. I want to start by extending a warm welcome to everyone. Just to introduce myself a little bit, I am starting my 5th year at State as an assistant professor in the math department. My research is primarily in mathematical physics and partial differential equations, and I have a soft spot for general relativity. I also dabble a little bit in math education. Enough about me, let's talk about you. I know that the present remote learning situation can be challenging for many of you, especially when it comes to staying on top of the coursework while being far away from campus. First, I want to say that if you find the whole COVID situation is having a significant impact on your learning, do reach out to me or to your academic advisor. We will do our best to help you navigate these times. Second, I've put some time into designing this course to have some small degree of built-in flexibility so you can largely learn on your own schedule, provided you meet the due dates and attend some face-to-face meetings on Zoom. That said, one of the suggestions we got from educational psychologists is that it helps immensely as a way to cope for you to get into a regular rhythm. So this course will be built around activities that cycle weekly with regular due dates. To help you stay on top of the things you need to do, we will be using D2L. A lot. That's actually the point of this short video. I want to show you our D2L site and point you to some things you should do this week, including some things you may want to get started on even before our first meeting on Wednesday. Okay, let's check out our D2L site. I hope you all have used it before. The URL is d2l.msu.edu. I have already logged in, so you see here the list of my pinned classes. Yours will definitely look different, but let's go and take a look at MTH320 Analysis 1. So it's over here. There are 4 sections of this course. Ours is section 002. The sections are weekly coordinated. We cover more or less the same material, but how we teach and how we assign homework can be very different. I hope you enjoy my version. Here we go. Let me first switch to student view so it looks more like what you see. Okay, now let me point out some highlights. On the right, you see our calendar. I have included information about all synchronous Zoom meetings and due dates for all assignments and some administrative to-dos. On the calendar, if you click on the listing for the Zoom meetings, and here I will click on one for our first course meeting, you will conveniently find the Zoom link. Use this calendar to help you keep track of what you need to do and when you need to do it by. Let's return to the home page. On the left, below the announcement box, is the content navigator. As the semester goes along, more and more content will gradually be released and show up here. You can find the weekly course videos, links to the assignments, checklists for to-do items, or organized by week here. Let's take a look at week 0. On my screen, there's only one item in here now. This is a checklist of to-do items. By the time you watch this video, there will be a few preliminary videos here too to give you a quick review and overview of course-related material before we start in earnest for week 1. Let's click on the to-do list and see what it looks like. One of the first to-dos is that you should sign up for our Piazza and make a post to introduce yourself. Now let's go back. Right now, what's most important to you should be the course policy and useful links. Let's click on it. Here you have our course syllabus. The document itself is a bit long, around 15 pages, and extremely detailed. On September 2nd, I will take a few minutes to go through some of the most important ones of the course policies, but I won't have time to discuss everything in detail. Please do take some time to read through this syllabus. If you have any questions about the syllabus, you can ask on Piazza. Our course textbook is available for free as an ebook through the MSU library. This link brings you to the catalog entry and you may have to log in using your net ID to get access to the ebook. I will talk a bit more about Eli Review and Overleaf on Wednesday. Finally, the drop-down menus are mostly self-explanatory. You will find another link to Piazza under Communication Tools. I just want to point out the bottom link here. I will have regularly scheduled office hours for Wednesdays. If you need to talk to me outside the scheduled hours, please use this link to book an appointment. That's all for now. Hope I see you on Wednesday.